Hey guys, Craig here once again with you, howtopest.com. We have a product here, Nuvan Strips. We have just put this on the website. This is a beautiful product. It has been out for a long time. What are Nuvan Strips? They are vapor controlled slow release strips that are actually going to kill flying insects, bed bugs, moths. Where are you going to put these things? You're going to put these things in attics. You're going to put them in garages. You're going to put them in crawl spaces. Anywhere that you're not going to have 4 hours or more of human activity. That being said, they don't want you around this stuff all the time. But if you're going to be in your garage, you pull your car in, you get out of your car, you go in the house, you're fine. If you work in your garage all day, probably not a good idea. Where I love these things, trash receptacles. These work so well in trash receptacles, ridding those flies. If you don't want to spray all the time or put baits out, you hang one of these. And when I say hang, let's start showing you what they look like. So here is a Nuvan strip. There are 3 of these blue strips in these resealable pouches. So once you take one out, reseal your pack to keep this thing fresh. These are the holders. You basically just place it in the holder, shut it. Here's one that's shut, hang it. Bins open, hang it. If it's in a trash receptacle and you need to screw it into place, big deal. Put a self-tapper in there and put it in the trash can. These hold up to 4 months at a time. They cover 900 to 1,200 cubic feet. 8 by 10 square foot room, something like that. They cover a good area. So a trash receptacle, one of these is more than enough, and they work fantastic. How do these work for bed bugs? Bed bugs, if you have an issue, let's say they're in a computer, let's say they're in a mattress, you've got to seal that actual item that has the bed bug infestation into some type of controlled closed area, like a giant plastic bag, giant plastic wrap. It has to be airtight. Then you're going to place one of these strips, maybe 2 depending on the infestation, inside there and let it ride out for at least 72 hours. 48 hours is the minimum. Go 72. Let it sit in there 72 hours and make sure that it has killed everything in there before you take these back out. And then you take them back out, you place back into your bed, your box springs, whatever you've been treating back into place, you're good to go. It will wipe out the bed bugs. But like I said, attics are great for these, crawl spaces. In the house, no bueno. You can't put these in any areas where there's going to be, activity all day long. So they come 3 to a pack. They come with 3 holders like this, making them easy to hang. And they work for 4 months at a time, give or take. If you start seeing activity again, you're probably ready to replace it with a new one. Maybe shy of 4 months, maybe a little over 4 months, may not even need a new one for a while. But these are the Nuvan strips. Hopefully I didn't talk too fast. If you guys have any questions about these, reach out to us at howtopest.com. Thanks for watching the videos and thanks for liking and subscribing, guys. Have a good day.